Hi, my name is Andrew Dye, and I'm the Operations Director for Unity Homes. This is a time of year when we're perhaps focused a bit more than usual on things that we're thankful for, and we thought it might be nice to share a little video with all of you of members of the Unity team expressing some appreciation for things in their lives at work or elsewhere. And one of the things that I'm thankful for, and I hesitate to mention it because we're all so sick of it, is actually video conferencing technology. I know that we're tired of Zoom meetings and Google Meets and Microsoft Teams meetings, but when I think about how the whole Unity team has been working remotely now for about a year and a half, and how important it is for us to maintain a connection with each other, for me to maintain a connection with all my teammates, and for us to maintain connections with clients and with builders, I really don't see it would have been much more difficult without this technology. One of the things that keeps me motivated in my work is the great group of people I get to work with, their intelligence and their sense of humor and their dedication and their resourcefulness. And this technology has allowed me to feel really connected to my team and others throughout this whole challenging time. So I am appreciative of the technology, and I sure hope that we're able to get back to a place where we're having more in-person meetings and gatherings real soon, hopefully in this coming year.
Hi, my name is Allison Kay. I'm a sales advisor with Unity Homes, and I'm very thankful for flexibility of my company to support me in the crazy school schedule with my children, and flexibility of our clients to understand when we're seeing challenges in the supply chain or working through design decisions. So I'm thankful for flexibility this year.
Hello, Curtis Fonte here reporting. I am a designer for Unity Homes and a father of 3. So this year, I am most thankful for in-school learning.
Hi, I'm Emma Petey and I'm a designer. This year, I'm thankful for all the extra time we've been able to spend at home with our friends and families. It makes me realize how important those nice, cozy spaces are in our homes, and I'm lucky enough to help design those for our clients.
Hi, I'm Mark Hertzler, PSA Project Manager. I'm thankful this year for being able to get together with extended family for Thanksgiving. We weren't able to do that last year due to the pandemic, so it's going to be nice to be able to get together again and have a big meal. I'm also thankful for my Hoka running shoes. Hopefully they'll be able to help me burn off some of those calories when I'm all done.
My name is Rachel Neal. I am the selections coordinator here at Unity Homes. I am thankful for the ability to choose my direction, which led me to being part of this wonderful Unity team, as well as the opportunities to be intentional about the love I share and the memories made with those I hold closest.
Hi, my name is Beth Campbell. I am a project manager of special projects with Unity Homes. And the thing that I'm most grateful for this time of year is our garden that is still pumping out plenty of food. We've got pears coming in, lots of kale and onions, things like that, squash from the end of the season.
Hi, Bill Holtz here, architect with Unity Homes. I just wanted to say thank you to you all out there choosing to light a candle for kindness instead of cursing the darkness. You have infinite power.
Hi, I'm Dick Struthers, sales manager with Unity Homes, coming to you from my 3rd floor office / woodworking shop. I'm just so grateful to have a job that is meaningful, and I get to work with such dedicated coworkers, both on the Unity side and the Benson Wood side of our business. I get to work with extraordinary clients who want to live their values, and I'm happy that I get to work from home. Periodically, I can tend the fires to keep the house from getting too cold by the end of the workday. I can feed the animals to keep them happy. Life is good. Happy Thanksgiving.